Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve Cbse Ncert textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is problem number 4 from exercise 4.3, page number 88. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find the present age. So let us take the present age of Rahman be X. So given condition is 3 years ago and 5 years from now. 3 years ago means X minus 3. So the age 3 years ago is X minus 3. 5 years from now means X plus 5. So the difference, the sum of these two ages, the reciprocals of sum of these two ages is 1 by 3. So I'll take it as 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Now take LCM here. X minus 3 into x plus 5. So this will be x plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Then you can write the numerator as 2x plus 2 divided by denominator, just multiply x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. So cross multiply 6x plus 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. Right, now you can write it. All the terms I am taking them to one side only. Minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then I will get x square, 2x and minus 6x. So minus 4x, right. Then 15 and 6. So minus 21 is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation for us to solve the value of x. Now let us solve this equation. X square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So I am writing factors for 21 here, 3 and 7, and 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 into 3 is 21. So 7 and 3 is the perfect combination here to split the middle term. So x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0, right? So minus 4x I am splitting as minus 7x plus 3x. So if I take x as common, I'll get x minus 7 plus 3 as common, I'll get x minus 7 is equal to 0. So this can be written as x plus 3 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x can be minus 3 or x can be 7. So we have assumed the age, present age of Rahman is x. So it cannot be a negative number. So x is equal to minus 3 is not the appropriate answer. So x is equal to 7 we can choose. So the present age of Rahman now is x is equal to 7 here. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.